Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name's Stephen Aitson and today we're going to be looking at Verasity. You know, I'm a big fan of Verasity. I've done loads of kind of charts for them in the past and I've kind of tweeted them out loads of times as well. Still support them big time. I'm not tweeting out as much now because they're finding their feet just now and they don't need as much support, I feel. So I've not been tweeting out as much, but still follow them, still hold them as well, and this is one of my long-term bags. So we're going to do the traffic light charts for Verasity. It's come back down. You can see it did go all the way up to 8.6 cents, which is fantastic considering where it came from, around about the 7/10 of a cent area only 6 months ago or 5 months ago. And that represents 908, well, say 1,000%. It's gone up 10x since July. And I've been talking about this for all of this year actually, and so have loads of other people on Twitter as well. So this is just a pullback is all it is. So if you look at this and do a Fibonacci retracement on this is on the daily, you can see we're at the 61.8% or the golden ratio percent area just now, and we should hopefully see a bounce from here around about the 3.8 cents area. Other than that, we've got support areas round about the 2.5 cent areas as well. So we'll do a quick traffic light charts to show support and resistances as well for Verasity. So we've got the all-time high, we'll put that in just now. So traffic light charts is the green, I'll do the green one. We've got resistance here just now, and we're going to put that in on the daily, and we'll put that in as amber. That's our resistance, and we've got a strong support at the 2.6 cent area just now. So this is not a bad looking chart at all. Obviously it's gone up quite a bit. When you have a big move like this, obviously you are going to retrace, and this is kind of retraced to the 61.8% area. So it's looking good for Verasity just now. Strong support here around about the 2.5 cent area just now. We've got resistance here at 5 cents, and we've got the all-time high around about the 8.6 cents as well. Long term, this is looking fantastic. It's in the gaming sector, and it's going to be at the heart of gaming as well. Esports side of it, it's going to be absolutely massive in 2022. I did expect this to be about 50 cents by the end of the year. Obviously, that's going to be lengthened, I think, with the lengthening cycle that we're looking at. And watch out for any more downside coming back down to this area here. Depending what happens tomorrow with the CPI data and what the Fed say on Tuesday as well, and depending what Bitcoin does, but just keep an eye out on that area as well. Otherwise, looks a brilliant buying opportunity for Verasity. I think this is going to go up big time towards the end of this year and into 2022 as well. So no financial advice, do your own research, but this is a brilliant one, I would say, in my opinion. So that's the traffic light charts for Verasity. If it breaks above this 5 cent area, then we're on our way back up to the all-time highs of 8.6 cents. And then beyond from there, it's going to go back into price discovery mode. So it's looking good for Verasity. Short term might get some downside. Long term, amazing upside for this one. Okay, until next video, namaste. Take care. Bye now.